What up, what up? This is your boy Dante. It's been a fucking while since I've been on this motherfucking channel, and I just want to release a video out because I've been planning to do this, but I never got to it. So today, I'm basically putting my demon eyes and the LED strips on the 350Z. So it's going to fucking suck because I know it takes forever, and I know for sure that my videos are not going to be consistent. So stay tuned. So basically, I took longer than what I should have. I didn't know taking out a headlight was going to be a bitch, but apparently I had to take out the bumper first. But I mean, I'm not going to take these fucking these screws out, because then you have to buy new ones. You can't reuse them again. So I decided just to like remove the bumper from here and just take off all the bolts that were basically in here, and there was another one over here, and then I just popped it out. But I got it out first light, and it's gonna take a while. Oh, that shit is so fucking dirty. I'm not gonna take that inside my house until I clean it up, so I'm gonna use this just to clean it. Let it soak for a bit, brush it off, and it should be good. So let me go ahead and fast forward right now. So I didn't film it, but I finally got that thing off of this. And all you gotta do now is, if you look at these edges, there will still be some sealant on there. You would have to probably throw it in the oven once more if you don't have enough time, and just basically clean all of it. It has to be like as clean as possible. That way when you put in the new sealant, it can, like, close well, and you won't have humidity going into the lenses. You don't want an ugly ass headlights. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm not gonna record it. Basically, I have the idea. I use a flat sketch screwdriver just to clean out all the edges and go all the way around. But that's just for the new sealant for later. I'll go ahead and show that some other time. Alright, so now basically I'm removing the projector, and I use my power drill. One, because it's faster, and that's a struggle. Go ahead and remove it. Basically, it's flat for the other side. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my ghetto ass demon eyes, and by ghetto, I'll show you later what I mean by that. But hey, they work, and that's all that fucking matters. So go ahead and go get them, and then go ahead and finish putting this shit on. So this is what I mean by the ghetto demon eyes. Dude, I bought these for like, I think, I don't know, man, 20 bucks average, I guess. But these things come with a 3M tape in the back. And what I do, since this projector has these holes right here on the side, I just stick it in there, take out the 3M tape, and just stick it right here. What I want is, I want this thing to be pointing upwards. So I basically set it here on the bottom, like right there, as you see, and through the hole. And with the wiring, I'll worry about that shit later. Alright, so since I already installed it, as you can see what I mean? I stick that 3M tape through there, pulled it out, and I want to bring it down through here, because this is where all the connections are going to be going through. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and bolt this up. You already know, so I won't show it. Alright, now I don't know if it's just me or just my headlights in particular, but I noticed that when I was working on my other headlight, that if you get any like oil um, from your hands, like from your body, or any type of like water or whatever, the chrome starts to come off. Like you can start seeing peeling off. So uh, what I'm doing this time is I'm using these gloves, and that's the case you guys didn't know, because I didn't freaking know. Other freaking tutorial videos didn't tell me that that shit could happen. So that's why I'm fucking telling you. So listen. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just use gloves. That way I can put the LED strip. I'm gonna go ahead and put the LED strip. A lot of people start from over here and work the way around, but I'm gonna work from here and go to the inside. Do a little bit different. So yeah. Alright, so it's the next day after a century. And trust me, these videos are not back to back. These are days after days. Now, I already have, everything installed. These wires are from the LED strips. This yellow one is for the turn signal, for the ambient color. It's gonna, every time I turn my signal, the white LED strip, I'm sorry, will turn amber. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this, and you're looking for, on the main connector, you're looking for the green, all green wire. That will be your turning signal. So I'm gonna go ahead and, well, I don't have a tripod to put my phone or anything, so like magic, you're gonna see this put together. And this is the heat, the ones that that shrink with the heat. So that's what I'm gonna use. So as you can see, I already put it together with this shrink. And black and green. My bad. That's where the yellow one goes. That's the turn signal. So now you're gonna look for this white with green. This white with green. And basically, and then the red one, I'm about to connect it with the white and green. And again, I'll be doing this, but I won't be able to show you how I shrink it. You just basically, what I do is I just get a lighter and I just go slowly all around until it starts shrinking, and it stays closed. Let me go ahead and do that. All right, so remember, yellow with green and white. No, green and black. I'm sorry. Yellow with green and black. Red wire with white and green. And I forgot to mention that the white and green, that's your those are your daylights. So that's what's gonna make the LED strip white when you have your daylights running. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and show you how it looks. So basically, that's how it's gonna look, but in this camera it doesn't look so good. In person, it'll look way much better. But let me show the amber lights. Give me a second. See? That's the amber color. Every time the turn signal comes on, it'll change into amber. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the fucking like button, subscribe if you like to. I forgot to mention that these videos that I do is strictly just for fun, man. Like, I don't profit on any of it. I don't give a fuck if they monetize the shit out of it or if they want to copyright it. I do this for fun because I like to do videography and I like to work on cars, man. That's just what I do, my hobby. This is not for subscribers or anything, but if you like my content, just like it, Give the boy some love. Alright, see you guys later.